everyone. Welcome to Jeevan Vidya Mind Management. We have the honor of having Mr. Prahlad Pai with us here today. Thank you for being here, sir. So, in the last video, we are trying to explore the 7 pillars of success. And in the last video, Mr. Prahlad Pai laid the foundation for these 7 pillars. And today we are going to look at the first pillar of success. So, my question to the viewers out here is, something for you to think on your own and answer on your own. That are you the kind of person who looks forward to Monday morning to go to work, or are you the kind of person who looks forward to coming home on Friday, or are you in both of those categories where you enjoy spending time with your family on the weekend and then you are ready to go to work again on Monday? So the other question is, do you actually enjoy your work? Are you excited about your work, or have you already found something that you love, or are you the kind of person who feels very burnt out at the end of the day, and it's something that you don't like doing at all? So these are some questions that you can answer on your own, and hopefully you will find the answers in today's session on how to enjoy your work and how to find the first pillar of success. So thank you so much, sir, for being here.
Okay, thank you, Gargi. We have discussed last time regarding the interdependency. We are interdependent, we are interconnected, and we are interrelated. So that principle we discussed last time, and that is very important principle, that we are dependent on others. So when it comes to the success factors, the first pillar what we are discussing today is regarding the passion. Now when we say are you passionate about your work, because as you ask the questions, everybody will have their own answers. If they are not passionate about their work, they will not like to go on Monday to the work. But if they are passionate, they will be eager to, they will be waiting for Monday to come. So this is all depend on your passion towards the work. I know that some people get the job which they like, and some people get the job which they don't like. So that is possible. All the things, this is reality. So you may not get the job which of your liking all the time. So will that in that case, what we should do? That is the most important. If you are passionate, there is no problem. You will take interest in the work and you will do everything properly. But if you are not passionate, you have to create an interest in that job. That is very important. And how that job interest will be created? First thing, you have to change your mindset. As I told you, if you have to do the work, if you are forced to do the work, why not do it happily? Simple question. If you have to do the work, it is better to do it happily than to do with a bad mood. Correct? If you do in a bad mood, everything, you will whole day you will the whole day will be a problem for you then. Even if you go home, you will be in a bad mood. So you will not enjoy the life at all if you are in a bad mood. So that bad energy or negative energy is not useful to you. You must always have positive energy in you. So you must take interest whatever you got it. And one more thing you must always have in mind, that this job is paying you. You are getting the payment for your job. So you have to give it back. See, you cannot say that I will just take the payment and I will not give it back. It's not acceptable. Correct? So you are supposed to give it back to the company and at the same time to the society. So at the both point you are supposed to give back. So you cannot say that I will not give back. You have to, when you get the payment, you have to give back. There is no other alternative. So when you are getting the payment, you are living happily with that payment. Why not give it with a good mood? That is a good thing, no? So if you think this way, your thought process will change. and you will slowly go on taking the interest in that. Second important point is the words what you use. The way you speak is very important because every word is associated with the emotion, feelings, and mood. Every word is associated with the feeling, mood, or emotions. I'll give the example. When you say, I got so many problems, what emotion you will have? You will be worried. You will be very unhappy. What will happen? You are worried, and all the time you are thinking about the. You will be anxious. All those things, emotions will come. Correct. But if you just say it is my challenge, it is a challenge for me. Same thing. Problem is same. But if you say that it is challenge for me, what will happen? You will have extra energy to fight with the problem. So that is the difference. So how you speak is also very important. So whole day don't go on saying I am not interested in job, I'm not happy, I am bored. Don't say like this. Start saying that I am enjoying. At least start saying, even if you don't enjoy, start saying it. Say I am enjoying. I am enjoying my work. I am enjoying my work. Go on saying it. It is like an affirmation. You know, we teach you the affirmation. Can you tell me what we teach you?
Yeah, so I think you have done a video on this, sir, on how to make a challenging job or a challenging task more fun. So one of the affirmations you had shared with us was this job is becoming easier and more fun. So you had given that affirmation to a student who
Yes.
found writing very hard. It was a job for her. So I think we can apply this affirmation to any job, and we can say that this job is becoming easier and more fun. That affirmation.
So you, I think you remember that.
Yes.
That we have to make this affirmation again and again. So more you make this affirmation, slowly the feeling and mood will build up. It is automatic, and you will get more energy, and more interest you take. I will tell you one more thing. If you take interest now, you will understand everything of that job. And more you understand, more you will enjoy. Finally, and what is required? Finally, requirement is you must understand the job properly. Even for a student also, some students they don't like maths. Why? Because they don't understand. They don't enjoy the maths. But once somebody teaches them properly, and if they understand it properly, then what happens? They enjoy doing it. So when you understand the job, then only you will enjoy. So any job for that matter, when you have to do it forcefully, do it with good intention, with a good thought process, mindset, and good affirmations. And slowly, slowly, you will develop the liking for the job. You understand? So finally, what I want to stress here, the passion is the first and the most important pillar of the successful life that we should understand. And once we know that I want to be successful, then there is no other option but to take interest and do the job passionately. That is the only I can tell you.
Thank you so much. So I just want to make sure that I understood what you said. So the most important thing is you have to work to help the society, and society is helping you. So it's designed in such a way that you have to work. So you said that if you have to work, why not work happily, and why not work passionately? And you also gave us some great steps on how to create passion if you are in the category of not being excited on a Monday morning. How to create that excitement? You gave us some good tips. First of all, to change your mindset, and refer back to some of our videos on how to make a challenging task more fun. So you gave that tip to have that affirmation that this job is becoming easier and more fun. And the more we repeat that affirmation, automatically the feelings and emotions will come, right? Correct?
And most important thing, if you start doing the job, you will go on getting will understand the job more and more, and you will create the interest for you. That is very
Right.
important.
So if we keep doing our job, whatever job we are in currently, if we keep working at it with this affirmation, this job is becoming easier and more fun. Write it down, repeat it to yourself, do it while you're driving to work. Also, remember that this job is paying you. It's actually paying you to sustain your family. That's another point you mentioned. So if you
Yes.
keep that in your mind that, I'm getting paid every month, because of this job, I'm able to pay
I
my
have to give
bills.
it back. I have to give it back.
I have
When
to
the
give it
company
back.
is paying, I have to give it back
Yes.
to the company.
So I owe it to this company or these people, this organization, because they're paying me. So I owe it to them. So with that sense of responsibility, automatically the passion will come, and also the affirmations will help. And all of the Jeevan Vidya strategies will help you. Please refer to all our videos on all our strategies, which will help you. And also, I think the next few steps or the pillars will also, give us an idea on how to create this passion, right? The next few pillars of
Yes.
success. Okay. So thank you so much for sharing this with us. So tune in for the next few pillars of success. Have a great day. Thank you for being here.
Yes. Thank you.